Watermelon is a type of fruit that is native to Africa, and has been cultivated for thousands of years. The ancient Egyptians were known to have grown watermelon, and they even depicted the fruit in their hieroglyphics. From Africa, watermelon was spread throughout the Mediterranean and Middle East, eventually making its way to China and other parts of Asia. The fruit was brought to the Americas by European explorers, and it has been grown in North America since the late 1700s. Today, watermelon is a popular fruit around the world, and it is cultivated in many different varieties. Watermelon is a warm season crop that is typically planted in the spring and harvested in the summer or early fall. It requires well-drained, sandy or loamy soil with a pH of 6 to 7. Watermelon plants require a lot of water and nutrients, and they should be fertilized regularly throughout the growing season. The seeds are typically planted directly in the ground, but they can also be started indoors and transplanted later. Watermelon plants need to be spaced 1.5 to 2 meters apart, and it takes about 3 to 4 months for the plant to mature. It is important to provide support for the fruit as it grows, as it can become quite heavy. And also to keep the area around the plant weed-free and to control pests and diseases. Watermelons are picked by hand when they reach maturity. The maturity can be determined by the change in color of the tendril nearest the fruit. When it turns brown, it means the fruit is ready to be harvested. Watermelon cultivation is done in many countries around the world, but the top watermelon producing countries are China, Turkey, Iran, and Brazil. Watermelon is a nutritious fruit that is low in calories and high in water content, making it a great choice for hydration. It is also a good source of several important vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C. Watermelon is an excellent source of vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that helps to protect cells from damage and supports the immune system. Vitamin A. Watermelon is also a good source of vitamin A, which is important for vision, skin health, and immune function. Potassium. Watermelon is a good source of potassium, which helps to regulate blood pressure and supports healthy heart function. Lycopene. Watermelon is one of the best food sources of lycopene, an antioxidant that gives the fruit its red color and may help to protect against certain types of cancer. Citrulline. Watermelon is also a rich source of citrulline, an amino acid that may help to improve blood flow and cardiovascular health. Furthermore, watermelon is also a good source of antioxidants, amino acids, and other beneficial compounds that may have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Eating watermelon may also help with digestion and may improve skin health. It's important to note that watermelon is high in natural sugar, so it should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Also, it's advised to consult a doctor if you have any health concerns before making any changes to your diet. Watermelon is a popular fruit that is grown in many countries around the world. Some of the top watermelon exporting countries include China. China is the world's largest producer and exporter of watermelon. The country exports a significant amount of watermelon to other Asian countries, as well as to Europe and the United States. Turkey. Turkey is another major watermelon exporter, mostly to countries in the Middle East and Europe. Greece. Greece is also a significant exporter of watermelons, mostly to European countries. Spain. Spain is a large producer of watermelon and exports a significant amount of it to other European countries and also to some African countries. Mexico. Mexico is a large producer of watermelon and exports a significant amount to the United States and Canada. Brazil. Brazil is also a large producer of watermelon and exports a significant amount to other South American countries and Europe. Iran. Iran is a large watermelon producer and exports a significant amount to countries in the Middle East and Europe. These countries are the major exporters, but many other countries also export smaller amounts of watermelon to other parts of the world. Watermelon juice is a refreshing and hydrating drink that is made from the flesh of the watermelon fruit. To make watermelon juice, the watermelon is first washed, cut, and seeded. Then the flesh is blended or juiced to extract the juice. The juice can be consumed as is, or it can be sweetened or flavored with other fruits or herbs. Watermelon juice is a good source of hydration, as it is mostly water. It also contains many of the same vitamins and minerals as the whole fruit, such as vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and lycopene. Watermelon juice can be enjoyed on its own or mixed with other fruit juices to make a delicious and nutritious drink. Some popular juice combinations include watermelon and strawberry, watermelon and lime, and watermelon and mint. It can also be used as a base for smoothies or cocktails. It's important to note that when making watermelon juice, it's better to use fresh fruits and avoid preservatives or added sugars which can be found in store-bought juice. Also, it's advised to consume the juice immediately or store it in the refrigerator for no more than a day or two to maintain its nutritional value and freshness.